Welcome to wood carving for absolute beginners. Today, we're just going to start carving. You don't need any talent. We're going to carve a simple wood spirit, and I'll show you every step from the first cut to the final reveal. Grab a knife, piece of basswood. Let's dive in, and remember, safety first. I'm going to guide you through defining the nose, the brow, the lips, adding bark texture with V-cuts as well. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is just to start carving. Here's what you're going to need to start. A sharp knife, a glove for safety, and optionally a V-gouge of any size. Safety first. Always carve away from yourself. Keep your hands behind the knife and don't rush.
We'll start by defining the nose of our tree spirit from the tip of the nose to the bridge. We're going to do this by doing a stop cut straight into that corner. And then we're going to slice up to it to define the line of our nose. Make sure you do gentle, small cuts. Okay. Next, we're going to extend that bridge line out either side of the nose, which is going to create our brow line. So that same straight cut, and then we slice up to it. So start to show the brow line and the sides of the nose. We'll define the bottom of the nose with another stop cut straight in there and just slice up to it, similar to what you did with the length of the nose. Now we're going to define the shape. How wide do you want this nose? And you're going to do a straight slice down the side. The nose will really pop now. These cuts are also the beginning to define the eyeballs. Take your time. Next, we're going to soften these sharp corners. This will start to give the tree spirit's face some shape. We're looking to round those corners off. Start by cutting it off at a 45 and then cut the next sharp angles off. And you'll find you come to a nice round area. Go slow, not too deep, because you don't want to tear the wood. Don't forget to do the lower part of the carving as well with the same rounding. You want the entire thing rounded similarly. It doesn't have to be exact. Shallow cuts are going to ensure you're not splitting the wood. Notice I'm almost shaving it. Next, it's time for lips. Similar to that first slice that defined the length of the nose to create an upper lip. Straight in and slice up to it. Another stop cut below that lip is going to define the bottom lip and the chin. Lastly, we need bark. Start slow. You're going to do a 45-degree cut into the wood. Start with a smaller, not too long. Don't make it straight. Go in about 45 degrees and then follow that same line from the other angle so that the tips of the knives would be touching each other if they were going at the same time, creating a V. You're going to cover the entire front of this piece doing these squiggly lines. Different depths are going to give it more character, different widths, very forgiving. These are called V-cuts. Be sure you cover the entire front, everywhere except the face, and this will define your bark. There's a full 35-minute detailed video on my channel if you need more guidance. And there you have it, your very first wood spirit. See, you don't need any talent to start carving. You just need to take that first cut. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and follow the series. More skills and projects every week. Next up, tool selection and sharpening, your essentials for every carving project.